Okay, folks, exercise number 6, it says solve. I've got the square root of the quantity 5b squared minus 36 is equal to 2b. Okay? Now, when I'm solving equations that have radicals in them, what's the first thing that I need to do, Maddie? What do I need to make sure of if I'm going to solve this? Well, I do have a square root, but you're right. I've got to make sure that one side is just the square root, right? I have to isolate the square root. Now, Maddie, is that what we have here? Is one side just the square root? Yeah. Okay. So now I'm ready to just go ahead and square it, right? Square this side, square this side. Maddie, can you tell me, what do I have on the left side? 5b squared minus 36. And can you tell me what I have on the right side? I'm sorry? Not 2b squared. Exactly, because we're going to square the number also. So 4b squared. Okay? Now, where do I want to go from here, Miller?
B's on the same side.
All right. I'm going to subtract 4b squared from both sides. And I've got b squared minus 36 is equal to 0. Okay? Emma, where do you want to go from there?
Add 36.
All right. This way, when we have a quadratic that doesn't have a linear term, that means a term with b to the first, Maddie. When we don't have that, we can isolate the b squared on one side and just solve it like this. B squared is equal to 36. Where do I go from there, Bella? Take the square root of both sides, and so b is going to equal what, Tucker?
6.
No.
Oh, 6 or negative 6.
Right. Plus or minus 6. Okay. Check them, Dane. Let's go back in here. I'm going to get the
check one.
square root of 5 times, let's start with negative 6 squared minus 36 is equal to 2 times negative 6. All right? Square root of 5 times 36 minus 36 is equal to negative 12. Is that right? Did I mess up with anything there? Am I okay so far, Maddie? Okay. Let's see. That's going to be the square root of 180. Am I right? Minus 36. Oh, I see where this is going. Equals negative 12. The square root of 144 is equal to negative 12. And 12 does not equal negative 12. So my answer cannot include the negative. I think it's just going to be the positive. Okay? Because if it is positive, then that means this side over here would not be negative. It'd just be 12. And I would get that 12 does equal 12. Okay? So 6 is a solution, but negative 6 is not. So make sure you check it. All right? Great job.